that, well, the Maine Department of Health and Human Services is adding 16 people to their Children's Licensing and Investigative Unit. It's a move to ensure the state's licensed child care providers are abiding by state regulations and to make sure their investigators' caseloads match up with national standards. WMTW News 8's Allie Miles explains what that means.
This is about 80 pieces of pasta. So let's say that each piece stands for 1 day care that investigators look into. Well, the national standard is about 80 cases per investigator. But here in Maine, it's about 180. And officials say that's just too much.
And I can't even imagine.
Rebecca Palmer has been running the Little Red Schoolhouse Daycare for 15 years. She has always passed her inspections with ease and was ecstatic to hear more investigators could be popping in unexpectedly.
You have to be spot on with your regulations, following all the rules all the time. And that's what it should be about. Your #1 concern is the safety of the children.
But she says many other daycares in the state need to improve.
There are a lot of places that unfortunately get by without the regulations being enforced.
The new hires will increase the unit from 12 investigators to 25. It will also fill 3 other vacant positions. The Division of Licensing and Regulatory Services spent 2 years looking into their own procedures and policies, looking for places where they could improve. We asked the division's director, Kenneth Albert, if these new hires had anything to do with the January investigation into Sunshine Child Care, a facility that was accused of mistreating children. Albert said the case didn't factor into the decision, but said that case did cause them to do a deeper dive into their internal process. Albert says in the future it will no longer be up to one person to decide if a child care center should lose their license. He said in a statement, there is a distinct value for parents to select a licensed child care provider, and the way that value is maintained and strengthened is through effective oversight and sharing of information.
Albert says they're going to take their existing staff and the new staff and spend 2 weeks with programming training and 2 weeks of field training, and that will all begin next week. Reporting in Westbrook, Allie Miles, WMTW News 8.